Welcome to Sushi Chill and Grill's Lazy Pizza Day. Today we're gonna make a Cretan style Apaki pizza. But first, I want to talk about John. John Shields' cooking channel. Oh man, he can cook delicious food. Now look at that. Isn't that just beautiful food? He also made a pizza for our collaboration. You really have to check out that amazing pizza. Now let's start on mine. First I'm gonna grate this amazing Parmesan cheese. And you know I love cheese. I went to the cheese store in Amsterdam and man, they have delicious cheeses. Now that should be enough for our white pizza sauce. Now look at this beautiful Apaki meat. And let me tell you what Apaki meat is. It's a very traditional Cretan meat. It's made from pork, it's salted, it's smoked. Oh man, just the way I like it, smoked meat. And I'm gonna slice it in thin slices. And we're gonna put a lot on the pizza, so we're doing a lot of slicing here. Oh yes, and of course I tasted a lot during the slicing. Now we're gonna make our white pizza sauce. And we're gonna start with a little bit of unsalted butter and really melt it in the pan. Now the butter is melted and we're gonna whisk in about 2 tablespoons of flour and really mix it in. It's like making a roux, or it's making a roux. And if it smells like cookies, man, then you know it's ready. And you can start with pouring in the milk. Keep on mixing until it's a smooth white sauce. And then it has to heat up and get all bubbly. Bubbly, bubbly, bubbly. Really bubbly. But first we're gonna pour in all of our milk. I also added some garlic and some pepper and some salt, just for some extra flavors. Are you seeing this bubbling? Then you know it's almost ready. Just give it some extra mixing that nothing sticks to the pan. And when you think you're all ready, you think it's delicious, then turn down the heat and then comes the magic. We're gonna add our grated Parmesan cheese and then a final mix and it's ready. The sauce is ready. Put it aside for now. And you know this one, a lazy pizza dough, and these are just amazing. We're gonna cover the bottom with our white cheese sauce or white pizza sauce. White Parmesan cheese sauce. Yes, that sounds amazing. And it is. And on top of the sauce, our delicious Apaki meat. And you can put a lot on it because it's a lazy pizza and we want food, we want delicious food, so put a lot on it. And yes, more cheese. And this is a Greek cheese called Graviera Kritis. It's made in Crete and it's the number 2 cheese of Greece. I didn't know that, but hey, fact check. And boy, I love some tomatoes. And we're gonna put 4 on it, just to give it a little bit of color and extra flavor. Of course, more cheese, and this is a crumbly Feta cheese that will give it a beautiful color when it comes out the oven. And you know, I like cheese, so I put a lot on it. I also topped it off with some basil. This Apaki pizza will go in the oven for about 12 minutes on 200 degrees. Now, let's do this. Now, will you look at that? A Cretan style Apaki pizza. Oh man, it really smells delicious. All those cheeses. Oh yes, yes, delicious. I want to thank you for watching. I hope you liked my pizza. Also go check out John's channel. He really makes delicious food. If you're new to the channel, I hope you subscribe, give me a like, leave me a comment. And as always, see you next time.